Hello guys, and welcome back to another interesting video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add drop-down list in your Excel sheet. So let's get started. First, you have to list down all your options in a sheet. Then go to Data tab at the top toolbar and click on Data Validation and select List from this drop-down and leave this window open. And now you have to select the entire range where you made a list of options that you want to show in a list, like this. And here source field UCell range will show. Now just simply click OK and you will see all options will appear in this drop-down list. Similar if you have an option list in another sheet, then simply go back to Data Validation window and now go to another sheet and make a selection of your cell range. Click OK, all option is now appear in list from another sheet. That's it, so if you like my content, please give a thumbs and subscribe to our channel for more interesting video. See you in the next video.